the ball. Reach, reach.
Okay. Well, he's all calm. Evil dog, evil girl. Makes perfect sense.
Where have you two been? You're supposed to pick me up 2 hours ago.
How'd you know we were here?
Dad said you were stopping here and then picking me up, which you didn't.
We couldn't. We were trapped here by this demon dog.
You
Get the balls.
When you're not around, he goes on
Find them all.
and tries to kill
Get him.
us.
Really?
Yeah.
What time is it?
See ya.
Where are the other ones? Find all the balls. Uh-oh.
I can't go with you in here. Why not? I can't speak.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Get the ball. It's rolling away. Get it.